The presentation equation is an attempt to articulate the various factors involved in the creation of a presentation, which I define as the act of one person speaking with purpose to two or more others. It suggests that there is a cost that must be met, which can be measured either by money or some other mechanism of measuring value. That cost must be equal to the number of people in your audience multiplied by the time that you're asking for their attention. Therefore, a half-hour presentation to 50 people may last only 30 minutes, but it consumes 25 hours of human attention, which is well on the way to being 1 week of human productivity, if you allow for breaks and so forth. But you also have to add the cost of the venue. Conference centres must be hired, and rooms must be booked, and they will need light, heat, power, refreshments, and servicing afterwards. Your presentation will require equipment in the form of flip charts, whiteboards, projectors, computers, and cameras. You'll need to create your presentation and rehearse it, and if you want to do a good job, that will take time. And finally, your audience must stop doing all the work they normally do in order to travel to and from your presentation, not to mention actually listen to it. If the presentation equation is true, then it shows that presenting is the most phenomenally expensive form of communication there is, and yet it was developed at a time when gathering people together in space and time was the most efficient form of disseminating data. But those days are surely gone, and yet we persist with the practice. So if you're going to do it well. Island 41. 4 minutes, one good idea.